short for local oxidation of silicon, is a microfabrication process where silicon dioxide is formed in selected areas on a silicon wafer having the Si-SiO2 interface at a lower point than the rest of the silicon surface. This technology was developed to insulate most transistors from each other and limit transistor crosstalk. The main goal is to create a silicon oxide insulating structure that penetrates under the surface of the wafer, so that the Si-SiO2 interface occurs at a lower point than the rest of the silicon surface. This cannot be easily achieved by etching field oxide. Thermal oxidation of selected regions surrounding transistors is used instead. The oxygen penetrates in depth of the wafer, reacts with silicon, and transforms it into silicon oxide. In this way, an emerged structure is formed. CMP is a process of smoothing surfaces with the combination of chemical and mechanical forces. It can be thought of as a hybrid of chemical etching and free abrasive polishing. In microfabrication, thermal oxidation is a way to produce a thin layer of oxide on the surface of a wafer. The technique forces an oxidizing agent to diffuse into the wafer at high temperature and react with it. Thermal oxidation may be applied to different materials, but this article will only consider oxidation of silicon substrates to produce silicon dioxide. Wet oxidation is preferred to dry oxidation for growing thick oxides because of the higher growth rate. Wet oxidation also yields a lower density oxide with lower dielectric strength.